Hello, let's do the New York Times Hard Sudoku for December 30th, 2023. There's a link in the description if you'd like to try the puzzle yourself, and I'm going to get started right now. All right, well, there's a bunch of givens all around here. I'm sure you noticed that too. It would be silly not to start in this area, so let's do that. In fact, I want to start with this row. We need a 1, which conveniently these ones look at these, so we can place the 1. We also need a 4 and a 7, which are not placed, but we can put 4, 7 in there. All right, I want to scan this band first. I feel like we're going to get some fruit out of that. Yeah, we already get 8s here. These 8s look in, this 8 looks down. That places an 8 there. That we're left with 4, 5, and 7. Okay. This 6 looks in, this 6 looks up, so there's a 6 in one of those two. We get 3s over here because of these two 3s. All right, let's look more methodically here. 1s go here, 2s go here. We have the two 3s already. The 8s, 3, 6. It's really hard to scan when there's so many givens. But I think I got them all. Is there anything else of note here? Maybe some crossings? Oh, hold on. We have a New York Times trick here. So what is the New York Times trick? I call it geometry. It's basically when you're looking for the shape of things, and that gives you a deduction. Is why I call it geometry. It's a little bit of a stretch, but I like the name. So this column, first of all, this column needs 6, 7, and 9. There happens to be a 6, 7, and 9 already in this box, avoiding that column. So what that tells us is that the 6, 7, and 9 appear outside of the box in that column. Well, there's only 3 open spaces for it. So that's where they go. This is 6, 7, and 9. And that leaves a pair behind. Looks like it's 2 and 5, I believe. And that leaves a triple in this box, which is 1, 3, and 8. All right, that's pretty nice. The 5, what's going on with 5s? Yeah, 5 goes in one of these two. I guess I'm doing this vertical now. That's fine. 8s, yeah, 8s are down here. We know that. I guess I'll mark that. I think that might be helpful to remember. Okay, I think I'm going to scan the top band now. I don't think I can find anything else here. Yeah, I don't. What's this cell, though? It's not 3 or 6. 1, 2, 3. It's 4 or... It's not 7. Is this a naked 4? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. It could be 4. It can't be 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, it could be 9. There we go. It's like it didn't feel like a naked single. I didn't think the count was right there, but still, 4, 9 is pretty good. All right, let's scan this band. I was looking at 8s. There's 8s here. Ooh, we got another fun thing. 1, 6, and 9. We have 2 1, 6, 9s accounted for in these 3 columns, and they're all in columns 8, 7, and 8. But anyway, where do 1, 6, and 9 go in this box? They have to go down here. 1, 6, 9. Fun. I'm trying to think what we can follow up there. Well, this 3 looks down, so that puts a 3 over here. 6 is accounted for. 9, 1, 8. Okay, so how about the 8 looking down here? There's an 8 here. Surprisingly little to do there. Okay, there must be more to find here. What am I missing? Huh. Okay, I need a 2 and a 4 in this row. Look, we have a New York Times trick, but it's 2 digits this time. The 2 and 4 in this row, I need to go over here. So this is the 4, this is the 2. That gives us this 5. That gives us this 9. Very nice. That puts a 9 in one of these two. What else does this do? We got the 4s, so 4 is up here. The 2s as well are up here. Okay. These are, what's the other digit? 1, 6, 7, 9? So 1's in one of these two. Oh, 1 is placed, actually. We're left with a 6, 7, 9. This feels like a weird solve. I'm doing it in a weird order than I usually do. That places this 1 here. Ah, that resolves our triple over here. 6, 9, 1. Geometry seems like it's king on this one. How about this 6, 8, 9? It's not quite good enough. So there's 4 open cells. I was looking to see if 6, 8, 9 were restricted elsewhere. I don't see that. Anything else to do here? 5s? Yeah, 5's in one of these two. I feel like there's something I didn't follow up on. Maybe this box? What does this box need? It needs 3, 4, 6, and 7. Oh, how about this column? There's a 3 in the column. There we go. So these are 4, 6, 7. And the 4 is in one of these two. Okay. So far, so good. I got this 6, 1, and 9. So let's follow up on that. Yeah, we have 2 6s here. This 6 looks down. That places this 6. Now we have 2 6s that look up. This 6 looks in. There's a 6 over here. 1 and 9. Anything special about those? Oh, the 9s. The 9s look in. There's a 9 one of these two. Aha! We have a rectangle of 9s. These 9s line up in boxes 5 and 8. They line up such that they miss column 5. So the question we want to ask is, where does the 9 go in column 5? And the answer is, it has to go up here in box 2, because these two boxes can't put the 9 there. So, and then this 9 sees here. So that actually places our 9, 8, and 6. Places our 7, 9, and 6. Places our 4, 7, and 6. Doesn't place these. Wow, that was a lot. Okay, well, let's follow up on this. This is a triple, which means this is a single. And if we can probably figure out what it is by, yep, it's the 3. This box still needs a 3. So this is a triple, this is a pair, this is a triple. Let's fill them all. We need 1, 5, and 7 here. Up here, we need 2, 4, and something. 7 also. And then here, this is a pair. Let's get rid of these corner marks. This pair involves a 5 and 3. Okay. What's going on in this column? 4, 7 pairs going on. So that's a 5, that's a 3, that's a 5, that's a 7. That's a 4, that's a 7, that's a 5, 1, and 7. That's a 1 and a 2. Nice. All right, that's 7. Oop. Nope. Just cleared out the 7s. Okay, what are these? Oh, what's this digit? This is a full house. I seem to be missing full houses today. That's a 4. I'm just kidding. I'm looking elsewhere in the puzzle. 5 and 9 go here. Yes, this 5 looks down. That's 9 and 5. That's a 9. All right, it looks like it's going to be easy sailing from here. 3 and, if I can count, 3 and 4. Not resolved. These are 5 and 7, or 5 and 8. You might be able to tell I'm a little bit tired today. Let's see, that's a 2. That's 5 and 2. That's 8 and 5. That's not an 8. 3, 4, and what? 3, 4, and 7. So 7 can only go here in the row. This can't be 3, so that's 4 and 3. We get the 2 and the 4 here. Let's play what does this box need? Besides 3 and 8. It needs a 2. One of them is going to resolve everything. The 2 does. 8 and 3, 8, and then we need a 5. Oh, that was actually a pretty good time. I thought I was going slower than that. Well, I think I found the key deductions, which is we had, obviously, the opening here. I don't think that's really key. I mean, it was key, but I don't think that was hard. We had this 6, 7, 9 New York Times trick. This one was given basically from the start. So I would say that this 6, 7, 9 was almost from the start. Definitely from the start with this 2 and 4. Just right from the start, you can place this 2 and 4. I got a little distracted by all the stuff going on here, but yeah, this 2, 4 needed to go in this row. And then this 2 told us the order, leaving this triple, which puts you in a really nice state. Was there anything else that was like... we also had the 169s looking down, giving us this 169 triple. So hidden triple / pair, that was the theme of this puzzle, it seems like. So if you use geometry, I think you have a very good time on this puzzle. A nice fast time. Let me know how you did on this. And of course, if you enjoyed this content, why not leave a like, subscribe, and a kind comment below.